Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please give us a subscribe. If you're returning, really good to see you again. Well, you know what this video is because you read the title. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Mossberg 590. This specific SKU is the 50670. Well, let's get right to it. So it's by Mossberg. It comes in a pretty standard box. For anyone not really in the know, Mossberg & Sons is an American firearms manufacturer. They've been around since 1919. Which right now, as time of filming, would be 102 years old. So let's have a look to see what they've got. Pretty standard. Comes with a bit of packaging. There's another bit of plastic. Got your instruction manual here with a little safety lock on it and some other Mossberg stuff. And here we have the choke key, because this Mossberg is choked, or at least it likes to be choked. From the time of shipping, this one took 12 business days to come across from Ontario to British Columbia. I paid for faster shipping that did say it would be here in 6 days, but that never happened. And I can't really blame Canada Post for that because of, you know, everything going on in the world right now, and Christmas just happened. Nice. Looks pretty good. Comes open and empty, as you can see. Take the little Mossberg clippy thing off it there. It's a pretty nice looking shotgun. So this one is a Mossberg 590. I believe they call it the tri-rail model because there's rails on both sides here and one underneath for attaching like fun stuff to. This one is 12 gauge, chambered for 2 3/4 or 3-inch shells. 20-inch barrel, and it has ACU chokes inside. Right now it just has the cylinder bore, but I'll probably buy more in the future and test them out. It has ghost ring sights here, which aren't really necessary for a shotgun, but it really does help your slug shooting get out that little few more feet. The receiver itself is an aluminium alloy, which isn't a problem on modern shotguns, but you can be sure that the parts that actually contain the shot, where the steel, it's a lockup and it's steel to steel. It has an ambidextrous safety here at the back that you can put back and forward with both hands, no problem. And it also has the slide lock here on the back, which can be, you can use your middle finger to hit that, and these two things are reasons why I chose the Mossberg over the Remington. And with it being Mossberg, you know, you get your nice Mossberg sticker that you can take off and put straight in the bin. My first impressions on it, it seems like a nicely built gun. My only other 12 gauge I had before was a Firearms FRX Turkish 12 gauge shotgun, and you know, I paid $200 for it. It was fine. You can typically pick these shotguns up in Canada anywhere between $600 and $800, highly dependent on which model you want. They do have cheaper lines of shotguns with a little bit less features. Those are usually the Mossberg 500 and the Maverick 88, both of which can be found at very good prices online. It has a good capacity magazine. You can fit 9 shells in here. Sounds pretty good, feels pretty good. But the only way to tell if it's actually good will be when we shoot it. The plan for this shotgun is we're going to do an initial review at 100 rounds shot. I'll give you my first impressions of it, and then later on, once I get 1,000 rounds through it, we will do a proper review, and I'll let you know how it held up and truly how I feel about it. Thanks for watching again, give us a wee subscribe, and take care.
Acting like an anchor man, lawless like from Neverland, colder than the polar night, guaranteed to make a stunning sight, looking but you cannot find, every season it's a different type, yeah, what about them days, yeah, maybe I don't change, yeah, I always stay the same, yeah, I don't need a claim, colder than the polar night, guaranteed to make a stunning sight, looking but you cannot